Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
How are you all? Fine.
Fine, thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Anusri. After some days, I think you are joining again. Yes, Anusri. Last class you were there.
Yes, ma'am.
You were there.
No,
What happened?
ma'am, I was a little late because of some network issues.
Not today. Not today. I think last some classes I didn't see you. No, you were there.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, children, we are learning money. That is unitary method. Unitary method. What's that? Who can tell me what is unitary method? Unitary method.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes. Yes, Manu.
First, we will find the value of 1. Then we will find the value of many units.
Many units. So how to find the value of 1 unit? You will divide. Okay.
Divide.
To find the value of 1 unit, you will divide.
We will divide.
Then to find the many value, what you
We
will do?
will
We will
multiply.
multiply. Okay. So children, we are going to finish now chapter. So please take out question number 18, I think. Yes. Page number 3 from workbook. Part 2. Part 2 workbook. Page number 3.
Sir, did you give homework?
17 was homework.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I think we have done that steps. And can you tell me who earns more daily?
350.
Is it Zeenat or Sukhvinda?
Yes.
Zeenat earns more daily. How much she is earning daily? Zeenat.
350. Rupee 350.
Is it?
200.
200. 1,400 divided by 7, that is 200. So Zeenat earns 200 per day, but Sukhbinder, how much earning? 150. So who is earning more? Zeenat. Zeenat. Okay. So if anyone have mistake, no, make it correct. Okay. Now next one, we are going to start question number 18. Gautam, please read question number 18.
The cost of 18 ruled books is 324.
Yes,
The
rupees
cost of-
324.
The cost of 20 unruled books is 340.
340. Okay.
Which book is
Less expensive. Children, you have to be very careful. You have to read the question properly. So we know 18 ruled books. So what is that price? 324. So how, Gautam, can you tell me how we can find out this answer?
Ma'am, we should look what is the cost of one book.
One book. Okay. 18 ruled books. From 18 ruled books, we can find out the value of one ruled book. Okay. How we can find out?
Divide.
324, that is the total price divided by the number of books. Okay, so you'll get one answer. Now next one, cost of 20 books, that also is given 340. From there we can find out the value of one unrolled book. So children, can we do?
Yes, ma'am.
So you can find out the value of one rolled book and cost of one unrolled book and compare, and you have to check which is the less expensive. Less expensive. So we will start together, children. Please take out page number 3.
Okay, ma'am.
Page 3. This is children, you know, that is part 2 book. No need to write part 2, I think. So you can start, children. First step, what we can write? Cost of 18 ruled book. Cost of 18
ruled book.
Page number 3, question number 18. Cost of 18 ruled books.
Unruled books.
Felix, what is the cost of 18 ruled books? Look at the question and tell me. 18 ruled books. 324. Very good. So rupees 324. Now from here, find out cost of one. Cost of one ruled book.
Cost of one ruled book.
Find out all of you. Rupees 324 divided by 18. The number of books, 18. Find out and tell me. Cost of 18 ruled books, that is given as 324. We can find out the value of or the amount for one book. How many got the answer? Chinmay, yes, many children. Wait. Madhav finished? Yes or no? Yes? You got the answer, Madhav? Yes or no? Yes?
And I am doing.
You were doing like this, so I thought you got the answer. Yes, Ananda? Ananda. 324 divided by 8. 18 divided by 18. Did you get the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
What's the answer?
18.
Yes, 18.
18.
How many got 18? Rupees 18. Yes, many of you got. So children, you can write here that is rupees 18. Rupees 18. This is the cost of one ruled book. Children, this is very easy division. We have finished division 324. That is one 3-digit number divided by 18. So when you have, if you are doubt 18 into 18, multiply and check whether you got 324. Okay. Now next, Isha, what can be the next step?
We have to write the cost of 20 unrolled books.
Yes, cost of 20 unrolled books. Children, we can write cost of 20 unrolled books. That is given. What's the answer? What is given? Cost of 20 unrolled books. Rupees 340. Okay, next, John Sebi, what we can write as the next step? Yes, John?
Yes, ma'am.
What can be the next step?
Cost of one unrolled.
Yes, cost of one unrolled book. From many, you are finding the value of one. That is called unitary method. Cost of one unrolled. This is rolled and this is unrolled. Cost of one unrolled book. Children, find out rupees 340 divided by the number of books. That is 20. Find out the answer and tell me. That is rupees. Children, try to find out the answer alone. 340 divided by 2 you can make. 34 divided by 2. So that is very easy one. You can like do this as mental division. Like here 0 you can cut. 34 divided by 2. So what's the answer? 17. Yes, you know 34 divided by 2 is 17. Rupees 17. Now Blesswin, look at the answers and tell me which book is less expensive. Is it ruled or unruled? Blesswin has to tell me the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Unrolled.
Unruled book is less expensive. Very good. Why? One rolled book, that is 18 rupees. Not one ruled book. Unrolled book is 17. So which is less expensive? That is unrolled. So children, we can write. So unrolled book is less expensive. So unrolled book is less expensive than rolled book. So children, this question is very easy. A cost of 18 rolled book is given. From that, you have to find out cost of one rolled book. Cost of 20 unrolled book is given. So from that, you have to find out the cost of one unrolled book. Then compare 17 and 18. And 17 is less expensive. So that is unrolled book is less expensive than rolled book. Finished. Okay. Okay, children. Yes, Angelina, can you read the next question?
Yes,
Question number 19.
yes, ma'am.
Yes.
19 kg of onions cost 800.
Children, you are 1 minute, okay? You are, yes. Yes, Angelina, continue.
19 kg of onion cost 855 in a mall. 11 kg of onion cost 407 in the vegetable market. Ahmad needs to buy 5 kg of onions. Where should he go to find cheaper onions?
Okay.
How much does he need to pay?
Okay, so in like a shopping mall, no, he can go and buy there, or he can go to a vegetable market. But wherever it is cheaper, he has to go there. So how we can find out? 9 kg of onions is given in a
Yes,
mall.
ma'am.
How much cost? 855. From that, what we had to find out? Cost of 1 kilogram. Okay, cost of 1 kilogram of onions in a mall. Like the same, you have to find out in the vegetable market and find out which is cheap. Can you do that?
Yes, ma'am.
So what can be the first step? Cost of 19 kg of onions. Yes, yes.
Onions.
Okay, children, do it fast.
Yes, ma'am.
You can write question number 19.
Cost of 19 kg onions.
Cost of 19 kg.
Of onions.
In the mall. So that is given. Rupees 855. Now find out the value of 1 kilogram. All the children has to do the calculations alone. Cost of 1 kilogram of onion. If you want to write in the mall also, you can find out 855 divided by the number of kilogram, 19. Find out.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't say the answers louder, I will ask.
Okay.
Let me find out who is not doing. Christo has to tell me the answer, okay? 855 divided by 19. $855 divided by 19. How many got the answer? Yes. Christo got? Yes or no? Yes.
Calculating only, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Anandesh. 45. Okay. How many got that answer? 45. Yes, very good. Many of you. Yes. Abhimanyu, can you on your camera? Are you there? Show me your book. Where are you writing? Page number what? Show me the book. Where is the book?
Ma'am, my book in my tuition class. I am writing in my rough book.
Okay, so the answer is 45.
45.
Rupees 45. Okay, next what we have to write? Cost of 11 kg of
Cost of
onions.
11
Kg
kg
of onions in vegetable market.
vegetable market.
Cost of 11 kg of onions in the vegetable market.
Vegetable market.
Rupees 407. 407. So children, find out the value of 1 kg. Cost of 1 kg of onion. The total amount, that is 407 divided by the number of kilograms, that is 11. That much rupees. Yes, many children finish. Yes, another and all I can see. Now, let me find out. Some children, they don't want to do the calculation. They will wait. That's why I'm giving time, little more time. Very easy one. 40. Okay, instead of 40, we can take 3 times. 3 into 11 is 33. 7 is remainder. 7 into 77. In like that, we can do very easy calculation. Yes, Dia. Tell me the answer. 407 divided by 11. Yes. Rupees?
Ma'am.
Yes, Dia?
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, Dad?
37.
37. Yes, correct answer. 37. Now, you have to compare 45 and 37 and check where the onions are cheaper. Where the onions are cheaper? In the market or in the mall?
Vegetable market.
Vegetable market. So, children, the cost of onion is lesser in the market. So, he can go and purchase from vegetable market.
Vegetable market.
And the children, the question is not completed. Now, look at the last line, Agni. Find out the last, can you read the last line?
Yes, ma'am.
Ahmad needs to?
Ahmed needs to buy 5 kg of onions. Where should he go to find cheaper onions? How much does he need to pay?
So, Ahmad has to buy 5 kg of onions. So, what do you have to find out?
We should multiply 37 into 5.
Into 5. So, in the vegetable market, that is cheaper. Why? Because in the mall, that is 45 rupees per kilogram. But in the vegetable market, that is only 37.
37.
Now, he has to buy 5 kg. So, what is the cost of 5 kg? Cost of 1 kilogram multiplied by
5.
So 37 multiplied by 5. Okay, children?
185.
Okay, so children, here we can write onion is cheaper in market. That we can write first. Onions are cheaper in the vegetable market. Vegetable market. Now, cost of 5 kg you have to find out. Cost of 5 kg of onions. That is the next step. Cost of 5 kg onions.
185.
5 multiplied by rupees 37. Rupees. 37 multiplied by 5. What's the answer?
185.
185. So rupees 185.
I'm finished.
So he needs to pay rupees 185. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Finish, children?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you finish? If anyone not finished, you can raise your hand. Yes, Manu. Okay, complete it fast. Cost of 1 kg, you have to find out. Then onions are cheaper in the vegetable market. Then you have to find out the cost of 5 kg.
185.
That is equal to rupees 185. So next to question. Alok, can you read question number? Next one.
The cost of 3 milk chocolate packets with 100 chocolates in each packet is 1050 rupees. The cost of 5 packets of dark chocolates with 50 chocolates in each packet is 1000 rupees.
Yes.
Which type of chocolate costs less?
Less. So children, cost of 3 milk chocolates packets. But in one packet, how many chocolates are there? 100. So first what you have to find out, in 3 packets, total how many chocolates? So one packet is we have 100. So in how much will be in 3 packets? 3 into 100. So how much will be there?
300.
300 milk chocolate cost how much? 1050. 1050. From this 1050, you have to find the cost of one chocolate. That is milk chocolate. Like the same, you have to find out for the dark chocolate. And you have to find out which is cheaper. Understood the question?
Yes,
Here,
ma'am.
in one packet, we have 100 chocolates. So how much will be in 3 packets? 3 into 100? 300 chocolates. So how to find out the value of one? Total cost 1050 divided by the number of chocolates. 1050 divided by 300. Okay. So I'm going to start. You can also start with me, right fast, children. Page, next question is question number 20. Number of milk chocolates in one packet. In one packet, we have 100 chocolates, milk chocolates. So number of chocolates in 3 packets, we had to find out. Number of chocolates in 3 packets. 1 packet 100 means in 3 packets 3 into 100.
300.
So the answer is 300 chocolates are there. Now cost of 300 chocolates is given. Cost of 300 chocolates is given. How much?
1,550.
Okay, rupees 1050. Find out for cost of 1 chocolate. Cost of 1 milk chocolate.
Ma'am, 350 rupees.
Wait. Cost of 1 milk chocolate. You have to find out the total amount. Cost of 1 milk chocolate will be, total amount is 1050 divided by the number of chocolates. Find out 1050 rupees divided by 300. Who got the answer, children? How much rupees? Anyone? Yes, Chinmay?
350.
Is it? Okay, let us check. Children, have you learned this decimal division?
Yes, ma'am.
Last year, class 4.
Yes.
Okay, so children, we can take now 1050 divided by
300.
300. So 300. So I can take, so 105 divided by 30 I can do. 30. 105 divided by 30. So if I see 30 into 130, 30 times 2 is 60. 30 times 3 is 90. Okay, so I can take only 3 times 90. Okay, 5 minus 0 is 5. Here 10 minus 9 is 115. Can I divide?
No.
15 is the remainder. So what will I do? I will place 1 0, add 1 0. Then I will put the point, decimal point. Now I know 5 3s are 15. 5 into 0 is 0. 5 into 3 is 15. So 3.5 rupees, 3.5 rupees. 0 minus 0 here, 5 minus 5, 0, 1 minus 1, 0. Okay, children. So if you are not doing that cutting method, here we can take 1050 whole divided by 300 also we can make. So here also what we can make? 3 times 0.
900.
3 into 0, 0, 3 into 0. Now 3 into 3 is 9. Again we can 0 minus 0 here 0. 5 minus 0, 5. 10 minus here 150. So but we cannot divide. So we will place the 1 0, then place the decimal point. Now 5 3s are 15. 5 into 0. Again 5 into 0. 5 3s are 15. So the rupees, that is rupees 3.5. Then you can write rupees 3.5. So one milk chocolate cost 3.5 rupees.
3.5.
So like this, you can, children, find out the value of dark chocolate. Number of dark chocolates in one packet is how much?
50.
50. So find, write number of dark chocolates in one packet. In one packet, that is given 50 number. Like this, how many packets we have? 5 packets.
5.
The number of dark chocolates in 5 packets. Next step, number of dark chocolates.
Ma'am, we can write number of chocolates.
Number of dark chocolates or number of chocolates, okay. Number of dark chocolates in 5 packets. One packet we have 50. So in 5 packet, 5 into 50. 5 into 5, 25. So we
250.
have 250 chocolates in 5 packets. Now find out the cost of one chocolate. Cost of one dark chocolate. So the total cost is given. Cost of 5 packets of dark chocolate, that we can write. Cost of 5 packets equal to, what is given? Rupees. The cost of 5 packets of dark chocolate with 50 chocolates in each packet is rupees 1000. That is given. Now find out the cost of one chocolate. Cost of one chocolate, one dark chocolate. Or we can write cost of these 5 packets, how many? Cost of 250 dark chocolate we can write. Cost of 250.
Ma'am, 4 rupees.
1 minute. Cost of 250 dark chocolate is given as rupees 1000. Now find out cost of one chocolate.
Ma'am, 4 rupees.
Yes, 4 is correct. All the children find out alone. 1000 divided by 250. Cost of one dark chocolate. You have enough place. Find out and write accordingly. 1000 divided by 250. So children, here it is not given directly. That's why we had to find out cost of 3 milk chocolate packet is given, and in one packet 100. So in 3 packets we had to find out 300. Now total 1050 divided by 3, we got 3.5 rupees for milk chocolate. Now cost of 5 packets is given dark chocolate, that is 1000 rupees. So in one packet there are 50. So in 5 packet there are 5 into 50, that is 250. Find out cost of one dark chocolate, 1000 divided by 250. What's the answer?
Rupees 4.
Rupees 4. So milk chocolate is 3.5 rupees. Dark chocolate is 4 rupees. Tell me which one is less, which one have less cost or expense, which is less expensive?
Milk chocolate.
So milk chocolate is less than the cost of. So children, we are going to finish this period now. So write it fast. Cost of one dark chocolate is, we have find out rupees 4. Before we have found out cost of one milk chocolate, that is rupees 3.5. The cost of milk chocolate is less. The cost of milk chocolate.
Ma'am, we can write so milk chocolate is less expensive.
Look at the question. According to the question, you can write.
Okay, ma'am.
Which type of chocolate?
Is less than the cost of dark chocolate. Less than the cost of dark chocolates. The cost of milk chocolate is less than the cost of dark chocolates.
Finish, ma'am.
All the children finished? It's over? Is there anyone not completed? Now, children, please, I will show you. Please listen. There is one exchange rate. Exchange rate means you can, maybe you have heard that money exchange. So $1 cost how much Indian rupees? One, like pound or dirham. That cost how much Indian rupees? That is one chart is there in your textbook. Can you read the exchange rate? Exchange rate means some of you have, maybe you have in Dubai and all. In Dubai, which is the means currency. Anybody can? Many children have gone, no? Dirham we can say. So one dirham cost how much Indian rupees?
20 rupees.
Is there anyone talking?
Ma'am, can you show the board, ma'am?
Yes. Do it fast. I will send the notes.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, this unitary method can be used to found the value of less than that. Like if they are giving the cost of 18 chocolates, can we use unitary method to find the cost of 5 chocolates?
Yes. How we will find out? First, we will find out 18 chocolates. From 18 chocolates, you have to find out the value of 1. Then
Okay,
only you can
ma'am.
multiply by 5 to get the value of 5 chocolates.
Okay, ma'am.
So that's why we are using unitary method to find the value of 1 chocolate. See, children, next teacher is waiting. So what you have to do?
Ma'am.
I will send these notes. Now, before that, I can say, all of you, please listen. Check in your book. In my book, it is page number 98. It is given exchange rates of means USA. What is the currency of USA?
Dollar.
So $1 cost how much rupees?
70 rupees.
Like in
70.
rupees.
Children, but in your book, that exchange rate, that is according to 23rd January 2017. It will change. Okay. Year by year or day by day, it will be changing. And what is the currency of England?
Pound.
Pound. So you can find out that value. And what about China?
Yen.
Yuan.
Yuan. Okay. So how much yuan? 1 yuan cost how much Indian rupees? And all you can find out and come for the next class. And Sri Lanka, it is rupees only. But we cannot say that is Indian rupees, that is Sri Lankan rupees. That value is different from our Indian value. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now UAE dirham.
Sri Lanka is
Tell me,
like
maybe many of you know this because your parents or maybe.
Ma'am, in Singapore,
Yes, ma'am.
Singapore dollars.
Huh?
Ma'am, in Singapore dollars.
Yes. So all these value will change according to the date also. Some children know, you know, people, your parents and all are working in Dubai or Gulf or America and all, they will wait for this price to go up. Some means
Ma'am,
when
they have
I was also working, and you can also check now in 2020 what is the exchange rate. This is old version, this book, so you can check the value and come for the next class. Okay, children, bye. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.